What's up, my fans? This is Cooper Kelly's here. So tonight we're gonna take a look at the opening two Thomas Friends movies on Australian DVDs. So here's the opening two: Thomas Friends, The King of the Railway, 2013 DVD, Australian. So front, spine for George Thomas, and back. This. And let's go with King of the Railway, Thomas, to meet Stephen. And I'll get this and enjoy. And let's begin for King of the Railway. Enjoy.
It was a beautiful day on the island of Sodor. Thomas and Percy were busy shunting trucks at Brendam Docks.
Watch out, Percy! Truck's coming through!
But they were being a little silly.
You two are going to cause an accident.
We're being careful, Pranky.
Yes, very careful. Here comes another truck, Thomas.
But Thomas and Percy weren't really being very careful.